Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the different formatting style available in Microsoft Excel. You can do conditional format, you can apply different style or cell format. I will be giving you example like how to add currency before the value, like I have done in this Excel, or you can do conditional formatting how to add the different kind of colors based on the input value, or you can add, very importantly, you can add text. I will be also explaining each of those, just briefing what I'm going to cover in this tutorial, and how to add the text just beside this value like $500, $200, and how to add particular cell style, like I have add this amber style in these cells. So let me begin this tutorial now. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so, and also please like the tutorial if you have liked it. And so going into the first scenario, how to add the currency value. First, let me just remove these values. Yeah, now you can see that now there are no currency value at the moment, and this is just simple data in it. And I'm going to select in this icon. You can go to this home menu bar and you can find this option, and if you click on currency, and the currency will be added just beside these values. And you can also change the different kind of options, like if you go and change to accounting, look, it has the format has changed a little bit. So you can actually utilize this option in order to show the formatting in a different way or different style. Now coming to the next scenario, how to make the data, how to make the scenario based on the different input value. In this example, I want to change the color. So for that, what you do, go to the cell style in the home bar. If you go to the cell style, you can get different kind of options. Okay, anyway, so I think this is the conditional formatting. We can go to the conditional formatting. In the next scenario, I'll be showing you about the cell style. And yeah, here you can see that we can make different kind of colors based on the value. And also we can make more rules. Like if I go to more rules, and here you have the option like lowest value and the highest value. So like in this example, I have 200, 300, 400. Suppose in the lowest value will be starting with, suppose, red, okay, and the highest value will be with green. And you can see the preview, and it starts with red, ends with green, means highest, lowest to highest, the value will be actually in this format. So if I click on OK, and you can see that the changing of the color here. So this is called the conditional format. Based on the input value, you can actually make this condition. Okay, let me move into the next one. Yeah, this is a very vital one. So let me just quickly remove this part, or just to show you the how I have done it. Let me just remove this dollars. Okay, yes, like you have this this data in here you have, and you are going to remove this format. Yeah, how I'm going to add this text and just beside this 500, like $500. And for that, you have to go to this number. You can see the option number, and go to this, just click on this icon here, and you can find this different kind of formatting style like number and currency. And now you have to go to custom. If you go to custom here, and then you have to select on, suppose, whatever decimal values you want, like I want for this, and then you have to type manually like what text you actually want here, like I want dollars. Okay, then once you've done it with this double inverted comma, and then you have to select OK. You can see that now it has been added, the dollar has added. So in this way, actually, you can add the text in the value. So that's interesting to know. And coming to the last part of this section, like if I just copy and paste here, I will show you again how I have done this particular cell formatting. Okay, so here in this example I will be showing you how I have done this in a particular cell formatting, or how I have used this format painter. Like suppose I'm going to select on this, and you're going to select this cell style. This is for a particular cell style, and I went to here, and you can actually change different kind of colors. Just let me show you that. Let me just minimize a little bit here. Yes, so look, if we just if we click different colors, we can have this different colors in here. And yeah, suppose if I click on this option, like this color, look, you can see that color had changed. And if you want to do this format painter, just click on format painter, and you can actually drop to below like this. So that's how actually you can do this manually. You can change this different cell style. So that's all about this tutorial, and I hope you have learned a lot about this, like how to do this adding text or conditional formatting. Those are the very new topic in this part of Excel. And thank you for watching, and please share this tutorial with others if you liked it, and also see the other tutorial. I've given the link in the below description. And thank you for watching.